8th class students.
Good afternoon to respected principal ma'am, honorable judges, teachers, parents and my dear friends. I am Kavya Sri, she is my friend.
I am Dhanasri, we are from 8th standard. Today we are going to say PPT about understanding quadrilaterals. First of all, we have to know about quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is a polygon made up of 4 line segments. Here we have to know about polygon. A polygon is a simple closed figure which can be made up of only line segments. The difference between a quadrilateral and a polygon is a quadrilateral is a simple closed figure which can be made up of only 4 line segments. But a polygon is a simple closed figure which can be made up of many line segments. A quadrilateral has 4 vertices and 4 angles, and it has a special property, that is, when we add all interior angles of any quadrilateral, we get 360 degrees. Many shapes around us are quadrilaterals. See here, in our room we can observe a quadrilateral. It is our screen. It is a quadrilateral because it has 4 sides, 4 vertices and 4 angles. And also, if we add all interior angles of our screen, we get 360 degrees. There are several types of quadrilaterals. They are square, rectangle, parallelogram, rhombus, trapezium, kite. Each type has special properties. First, we are going to know about square. Square is a quadrilateral because it has 4 sides. In square, all sides are equal. All angles are 90 degrees. Therefore, all angles are also equal. Diagonals bisect at 90 degrees and also diagonals are equal. We can see examples of square like chessboard, floor tiles, etc. Next, rectangle. See here, this is square ABCD. In square ABCD, AB is equal to DC is equal to CB is equal to DA because in square all sides are equal. DB and CA are diagonals, they perpendicularly bisect each other and diagonals are equal. All angles are 90 degrees. See here, all angles are 90 degrees. Next, rectangle. In rectangle, opposite sides are equal in parallel. All angles are 90 degrees. Diagonals bisect each other and diagonals are equal. We can see examples of rectangle like books, blackboard, etc. See here, this is rectangle PQRS. In rectangle PQRS, PQ is equal to SR and SP is equal to RQ. Because in rectangle, opposite sides are equal and parallel. Here, SQ and RP are diagonals. They bisect each other and they are equal. All angles are 90 degrees. See here, all angles are 90 degrees. Next, parallelogram. In parallelogram, opposite sides are equal in parallel. Opposite angles are equal. If we add adjacent angles of parallelogram, we get 180 degrees. Diagonals bisect each other and also diagonals are equal. See here, this is parallelogram KLMN. In parallelogram KLMN, NM is equal to KL and ML is equal to NK because in parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and parallel. Here, N and L, MK are diagonals. Here, angle K is equal to angle M, angle L is equal to angle N. Because in parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and parallel. NL and MK are diagonals, they bisect each other and they are equal. Here, angle K plus angle L is equal to 180 degrees. Angle K plus angle N is equal to 180 degrees. As well as angle M plus angle N is equal to 180 degrees. Angle M plus angle L is equal to 180 degrees. Let's see one example of parallelogram. See here, this is parallelogram guns. In parallelogram guns, one angle is given, that is angle G. It is 60 degrees. By using properties of parallelogram, let's find remaining angles. Now we can find angle N. Angle N is opposite to angle G. We know that in parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. So angle G is opposite to angle N. Angle G is equal to 60 degrees, then angle N is also 60 degrees. Let's find angle U. Angle U is adjacent to angle G. We know that in parallelogram, if we add adjacent angles, we get 180 degrees. Angle G is equal to 60 degrees, then angle U is equal to 120 degrees. Let's find angle S. Angle S is opposite to angle U. We know that in parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. Angle U is equal to 120 degrees, then angle S is also 120 degrees. We can see in another way, that is, angle G is adjacent to angle S. And in parallelogram, adjacent angles are 180 degrees. Angle G is equal to 60 degrees, the angle S is also 120 degrees. Then angle N is equal to 60 degrees, angle U is equal to 120 degrees, angle S is equal to 120 degrees. So, angle G plus angle U plus angle N plus angle S is equal to 360 degrees. Because if we add all interior angles of any quadrilateral, we get 360 degrees.
Let's we discuss about rhombus. Rhombus is a quadrilateral because it has 4 sides. In rhombus, all sides are equal, opposite sides are parallel, and also opposite angles are equal. Rhombus is a special type of parallelogram. If we add adjacent angles of rhombus, we get 180 degrees. In rhombus, diagonal bisected right angles. All rhombus are parallelogram, but all parallelograms are not a rhombus because rhombus have all properties of parallelogram. One of the property of rhombus is all sides are equal. This property not satisfies in parallelogram. So parallelogram is not a rhombus. See here, the name of the rhombus is PQRS. PQ is equal to QR is equal to RS is equal to SP. Because all sides are equal. Angle P is equal to angle R. Angle Q is equal to angle S. Because opposite angles are equal. QS and PR are diagonals. They intersect at O. Next, trapezium. Trapezium is also quadrilateral because it has 4 sides. In trapezium, one pair of opposite sides are parallel. Sum of adjacent angles are non-parallel sides of trapezium is 180 degrees. Diagonals are generally unequal and not bisect each other. See here, the name of the trapezium is LMNO. LM is parallel to NO. LO is non-parallel to NM because only one pair of opposite sides are parallel. Angle L plus angle O is equal to 180 degrees. Angle M plus angle N is equal to 180 degrees because non-parallel sides of trapezium is 180 degrees. Diagonals are unequal. Next, kite. Kite is a quadrilateral because it has 4 sides. In kite, exactly 2 pairs of consecutive sides are equal. One pair of opposite angles are equal. Diagonals are perpendicularly bisect each other. Sometimes you will think kite is normal flying kite, but in normal flying kite all sides are equal like rhombus. So that is not in the shape of kite. It is in the shape of rhombus. See here, the name of the kite is ABCD. BC and CD are one pair of consecutive sides, as well as B and AD are another one pair of consecutive sides. Therefore, 2 pairs of consecutive sides are equal. Angle B is equal to angle D because only one pair of opposite angles are equal. C and BD are diagonals. They perpendicularly bisect at O. Next, our real life or daily life examples. Floor tiles, chessboard, carom board. These are the examples of square. Door, books, blackboard. These are the examples of rectangle. Flying kite, road signs. These are the examples of rhombus. Bridge supports, a table with a slanted edge or a roof. These are the examples of trapezium. Some wall decorations are designed in kite shape. These are the examples of kite. A book cover or a table can also be a parallelogram. These are the examples of parallelogram. Now I want to conclude that all quadrilateral help us to understand shapes in our daily life or real life.
Thanks for giving this wonderful opportunity.
PPT ప్రదర్శనే కాదు, గతం నుంచి కూడా మనం కూడా చూస్తూ ఉన్నాం. పాలకొల్లు లాంటి ఒక సెమీ అర్బన్ ప్రాంతంలో ఒక నాణ్యమైనటువంటి విద్యను ఇక్కడ ఉన్నటువంటి ప్రజలకు అందిస్తూ ఎన్నో ఉత్తమమైనటువంటి ర్యాంకులను సాధిస్తూ ఎంతోమంది తల్లిదండ్రుల ఆదరాభిమానాలను పొందినటువంటి సంస్థగా ఉల్లంపర్రు మాంటెస్సోరీస్ని మనందరం కూడా చూస్తూ ఉన్నాం. ఈరోజు చదువు ఉంటేనే ఒక మనిషి ఏది మంచి ఏది చెడు, ఏది అవసరం కాదనేటువంటి ఒక విచక్షణ జ్ఞానం, ఒక నాలెడ్జ్ అనేది ఎడ్యుకేషన్ మాత్రం ద్వారా వస్తుంది.